Kingsway Language Center presents
English for GCE Ordinary Level Students.
Hello. Today we are going to discuss Test 10 of the GCE Ordinary Level Examination 2019 English Language paper. In this test, the examiners are going to assess your ability to use reported speech. What is reported speech? Well, when we want to tell somebody what the other person said, we use reported speech. When you want to tell somebody else what the other person said, we use reported speech. We can do this by using two different ways. In other words, reported speech can be divided into two parts: direct speech and reported speech. In old books, earlier we called it indirect speech. Direct speech and indirect speech. I'll give you an example. Now, when somebody says, I'm hungry, and if you want to say this to someone else, you must say, he said that he was hungry. I am hungry becomes he was hungry. So, when you use reported speech, you will have to change the pronoun and the verb. Today, I am not going to teach you reported speech lesson, but while we discuss the paper, I'll give you some ideas. In a later lesson, I'll teach you some reported speech sentences. Okay. First of all, let's read the question. The question is, Ravi, Pasan and Naveen went to see a movie yesterday. I hope you can understand. Ravi, Pasan and Naveen went to see a movie yesterday. They went to the cinema to see a movie or a film. Given below are some statements or questions. You can see some statements, some sentences and questions from the conversation that took place among them after the movie. Now, once the movie was over, they came out of the cinema and they started talking about the movie. So, they had a conversation. So, given below are some sentences or statements taken from their conversation. Now, rewrite each of them using reported speech. Now, you see, they are all given in direct speech, right? They are given in direct speech. All what you have to do is to rewrite those statements in reported speech. The first one is done for you. Let's have a look at the first one. Ravi says, when we use reported speech, when we use direct speech in writing, we mention the speaker's words within quotation marks or inverted commas. Now, in the question paper, it says Ravi, and it's a fantastic movie. That is what Ravi says. It's a fantastic movie. Now, we want to say this in reported speech. Then we say, Ravi said that it was a fantastic movie. Ravi said that it was a fantastic movie. So, it is becomes was in reported speech. Now, Ravi's words are this. It's a fantastic movie. Ravi says. So, when we want to say that to someone else, we say, Ravi said that it was a fantastic movie. So, is becomes was. Now, the second one. Let's try to do that in the same way. Pasan, it's the best movie I have ever seen. It's the best movie I have ever seen. So, now there are two things here, two verbs. It's the best movie. So, is becomes was, and have ever seen, have must become had, the past tense. Usually, when you report something, the verb in the direct statement must change into its past tense. So, here Pasan says, it's the best movie I have ever seen. Now, in the paper, this part is given. Pasan said that it was the best movie. Now, we have to turn the last part of the sentence into reported speech. What is it? I have ever seen. So, we can say I becomes he, because we are talking about what Pasan said. He had ever seen. Now, I will give you the answer. Pasan said that it was the best movie, that is given in the paper. Last part is he had ever seen. He had ever seen. So, to complete the blank, you must use he had ever seen. Now come to the third one. Naveen. Naveen says, listen to what Naveen says. I am glad that I saw it. I am glad that I saw it. So there are also two verbs, am and was. So am becomes past tense. Past tense of am is was. And so is already a past tense verb. So what we must do is, if the verb is in the past tense, we must change the past tense verbs into past perfect. Past perfect means the verb had and the past participle form of the main verb. Now, for example, saw is a past tense verb. Past perfect form is had seen. Ate is a past tense verb. Had eaten is the past perfect one. So, let's check the answer now. I am glad that I saw it. So, the answer must be, Naveen said that he was glad that he had seen it. He had seen it is the answer. I saw it becomes he had seen it. Now come to the fourth one. Pasan. Pasan says this. Ravi, did you like the ending? Ravi, did you like the ending? Now Pasan asks Ravi. It's a question. Did you like the ending is a question. Ending means the last part of the film or the movie. So, how can we turn it into reported speech? Like this. Pasan asked Ravi. Pasan asked Ravi because it's a question. So, when we are going to turn a question into direct speech, we always say asked. The main verb should be asked. Pasan asked Ravi. Then we use the word if. If should be used. Pasan asked Ravi if he had liked the ending. So, did like means past tense. So, we use the past participle form, he had liked the ending. Pasan asked Ravi if he had liked the ending. Okay, now come to the fifth one. Ravi. Ravi says, I will ask my brother to see it as well. I will ask my brother to see it as well. That is what Ravi says. Now, the first part of the sentence is given. Ravi said that. Ravi said that. Now, what did he say? Now, we are going to report what he said. In his original sentence, there is the word will. I will ask my brother. But remember, in reported speech, will becomes would. Will becomes would. So, we must say it like this. Ravi said that he would ask his brother to see it as well. Only will changes into would. The word I changes into he. Now I shall repeat that. Ravi. I will ask my brother to see it as well. Then we say, Ravi said that he would ask his brother to see it as well. So in the original sentence, I will ask. In the reported sentence, it must be I becomes he and will becomes would. You can write the rest without changing any word. Okay, so now come to the last question. Number 6. Naveen says, what's the name of the main actress? What's the name of the main actress? Now this is an information question. When you are going to turn information questions into reported statements, we change the question, we remove the question form and use the affirmative form. That means use the verb in the past tense and you must put the verb into the original position. Now before a question is made, we have the verb after the subject. When we make a question in English, we take the auxiliary verb before the subject. Now look here, what is the name of the main actress? So then when you are going to report this, you must say, Naveen wanted to know. Naveen wanted to know what the name of the main actress was. So that is goes back to the original place. The main actress is, and we can say the name. No? So what we can do here is becomes was, and it must go to the end of the statement. Now listen again. Naveen, what's the name of the main actress? Then we turn it into reported speech like this. Naveen wanted to know what the name of the main actress was. Naveen wanted to know what the name of the main actress was. I hope you all can understand this. The one very important thing that you must keep in your mind is that when we rewrite direct statements as a reported statement, we have to change some words. We have to change pronouns. We have to change main verbs. So it should be done like this. I usually becomes he or she. If the speaker is a male, boy or man, we say he. If the person who speaks is a female, girl or woman, we turn I to she. We becomes they. My becomes his or her. Our becomes their. Okay? And the auxiliary verbs also we'll have to change. Am and is becomes was. As am and is become was. Are becomes were. Do and does becomes did. Has and have both become had. Will becomes would. Shall also become would. Will shall both become would in reported speech. So keep these things in your mind and study the questions once again so that you will be able to turn any direct statement into indirect or reported speech. If you have any problem, please feel free to write to us.